So I've already opened these up, but look at my new shoes for Frocktails. I'ma be so freaking tall. I'm so excited for these. So after my shoes came in, I headed off to Joann Fabrics where I went to the quilting section, which is definitely different for me, but I actually signed up for 3 different craft shows for October, November, and December. I've already heard back about the October show and the November show, and those are both yeses. So now I'm looking for some quilting fabric to do some really cute small accessories for the Christmas holidays and just things like that. So it'll be like keychains, headbands, coin pouches. I'm actually going to also have some epoxy art as well in the booth. This will not be my first time doing a craft show. I actually did them years ago when I first started my Etsy shop, and I had a lot of success with them. And you can make a really great side hustle or even just an additional stream of income doing this. So if you're interested in learning about how to sign up for these and what to do and just kind of how to prepare yourself for all of this, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video for us. So my shopping experience was abysmal. I picked up this rainbow fabric and I bought a yard of it, and I'm going to use it for some keychain fobs. So after Joann's, I headed off to Hobby Lobby where I actually found a couple of more things. They had some really cute print fabric that I think will go great with some of the accessories I want to make. And you know, I love a palm leaf, you know, I love a leopard, you know, I like girly pink feminine things. And I also picked up some sports team stuff because football is huge out here. So I did get some Ole Miss and Mississippi State fabric to make some small accessories out of. Once I got home, I actually went through all of my old inventory from my old Etsy shop where I used to sell bags, and luckily for me, I have not thrown away a single thing, and it is really serving me well in this era. So thankfully, I do not have to buy a lot of hardware or zippers or anything, and a lot of my cost is seriously just coming from fabric. Look, I even have the bags, the little shopping bags I used to give people. So this is working out really well for me. So after my trim, I came home and I filled all of my orders for the day. You guys really showed up for the black pattern weights, and I'm so thankful. They feel loved now, I promise. And so thank you for those of you who heard my call out for that in my video where I talked about my new pattern designs. On Friday night, I actually recorded my how to do a burrito method video for design group that is now posted on the Simplicity Instagram page. And this also gave me an opportunity to actually work on my jacket a little bit. So now all I have to do is the plackets, the cuffs, and the hem. After I filled those orders, I did some DG work. So we do post through the weekend as well. So at this point, I was just kind of backfilling and making sure that we had good content to share on Saturday and Sunday. After I did the DG work, I actually felt like a super lucky girl because Joe had most of the day off. It's very hard to find days off for him during football season, especially on Saturdays. So we grabbed some ice cream. This is the first thing I've eaten today. So we don't live far from Fondren, so we actually come to this area quite a bit for food. This is a list of all the restaurants in the area. This area is extremely historic. There are a lot of original buildings, a lot of original aesthetic. This place that we're going to today is called The Station, and I think it might have been either a garage or a gas station, and now it's a pizza joint. But fun fact about the Fondren area, they actually filmed scenes of The Help in the Fondren area. And so if you're ever in Jackson, Mississippi, this is one of those places that you probably want to check out because it's just got some really cool original things. And so we ordered a meatball and sausage pizza. This pizza was so good. We actually only ate half of it between the two of us, and we took the rest home for dinner that night. Great. My Dixie cups are here. Ooh, yes. So these are for like the scrunchies, the headbands. Oh, I'm so excited that these came. Okay, perfect. Yes. So these will be for the scrunchies and for the headbands. These are for my key fobs. And this is my interfacing. So your girl was playing fast and loose with deadlines because on Sunday I was dragging my feet with this tutorial for the quilted skirt. This is a requirement for my Janome partnership. And so part of my Janome partnership is actually being able to produce original DIY content at this point twice a year because I've been with them for quite some time. But I always wait till the last minute and I don't know why, but I've got to stop doing this, hoping to be better in 2024. But just to let you know, this actual sew along is live on my channel now, so you can go ahead and check it out. And if you did not already know, this is actually 2 thrifted pillowcases that I am making into a skirt. And the skirt has a lot of volume, a lot of shape, and it's pretty cool. And I continued my procrastination bad habits through Monday, where I started my Frocktails outfit. Now, mind you, I do leave on Thursday. So, again, playing fast and loose with the deadlines here. But this is McCall's M8009. I'll put a picture up so you guys can see. And this is a jumpsuit. And what I'm doing at this point is an overlay because the fabric is see-through and I don't want to show all my goodies like that. But yeah, so I'm working on doing this overlay. I picked up this fabric in August fully well knowing that I wanted to use it for Frocktails. So I'm very, very excited to finally get into this. I made a lot of progress on Tuesday, and so now all there's left to do is the zipper and the hem and the sleeves. And so the next time you see me, I'll be wearing this. See you next week. Bye.